Hey guys, welcome back to another tips and tricks tutorial on AutoCAD. So today we are going to see a very quick tips and trick about how we can convert the drawing units. So let's say if I type my units, you can see my unit says an architectural units and the unit of measurement is inches. Okay, and if I measure my rectangle from here to here, it's 6 feet. And let's say I want to convert it to millimeters, so we have to keep in mind the conversion factor if we come from feet and inches to millimeters. So for 1 inch there is 25.4 millimeters, so we have to multiply this thing by 25.4 millimeters, or you can say we have to scale this to 25.4 millimeters. How do we do that? So let's select this, go to scale, right, and then specify your base point like this and type in 25.4, enter. So right now my rectangle is going crazy, a crazy big rectangle we have, and if we measure it from here to here, so it says 152 feet, which it should not be, right? Because it's 6 feet and we have converted it to millimeters. So how do we do that? You type in units once again and change this to decimal, change this to millimeter and press OK. Now if I go to measure the distance from here to here, it is 188 1828. Now if I take my calculator out and we type in 6 feet, so that means 6 into 12, because there's 12 inches in each feet, and then we multiplied it by 25.4, so it is very accurate, 1828.8. So that's how you can convert your drawing units if you have uh, anything of that sort in AutoCAD. If you if you want to do some different conversion, like if you want to go from meter to millimeter, we know it like 1000, and if you want to go from centimeter to millimeter, we know that we have to multiply it by 100. If you want to get more idea about the conversion factor, you can simply Google type in conversion factors and it will give you the values of different conversion factors, from whether it is imperial to inches or imperial to millimeters or something like that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you have any doubts in this particular video, make sure to comment down below and please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys. Peace.